Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be doing a wash day routine with the K18 products. Now, if you're new to my channel, I do heat train my hair and I do use heat on my hair once per month. So first, I'm gonna go in and completely saturate my hair with water. I do like to allow my hair to fully revert before I go in with my shampoo. Now it usually takes a few minutes, but it always does revert. Next, I'm gonna go in with their Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo. I do have buildup in my hair, and some of the key benefits of this product, it does remove buildup without stripping. It also has the activated charcoal, which absorbs toxins, excess oils, and dirt in the hair and scalp. It has salicylic acid, which clears sebum buildup in follicles without stripping hair of essential moisture and lipids. So it also does have that K18 peptide, which helps reduce protein loss to keep hair feeling healthy and strong. So this is right up my alley since I do heat train and I want to be proactive and keep my hair healthy. I do not want it to be damaged. Before I start using these treatments, I need to keep it healthy as I am heat training. And I always like to wash, rinse, and then repeat. So right here, I am going in with my second shampoo. And as you see, it has a really good lather and it is definitely cleaning my hair without stripping my hair. My hair did not feel stripped at all. So I'm just making sure to thoroughly saturate my hair with that shampoo because I want to remove the buildup. And I do like to go in with my shampoo scalp brush just to further get the buildup off of my scalp. So yeah, anytime you use any type of these type of treatment, it's important to make sure your hair is clarified so that the product works how it's supposed to work. And then right here, I'm just rinsing out that shampoo. And here is a look at how my hair looks after using the shampoo. So next I'm just going to towel dry my hair with my microfiber hair towel because they want you to start on towel dried hair before you go in with the leave-in molecular repair hair mask. And I am adding 3 pumps as per instructions. Follow directions. Because if you use too much, it could cause your hair to get brittle and dry, as they state on their website. And I'm just rubbing my hands together to emulsify the product, as you can see. And I've watched so many videos and so many people use this incorrectly. So please follow directions. As you can see, the product is nicely emulsified in my hands. So I am going to work from my ends to my mids, just focusing on those sections of my hair. As you can see, just working one side at a time, and trust me, 3 pumps is all you need. It's more than enough. Please do not use more than 3 pumps. Follow directions. And then once I have that in my hair, I am going to go in with my brush just to further work in the leave-in mask. And it does state on their website that it takes at least 4 treatments to notice a difference in your hair. So I am going to test this out a few times. And I did leave that mask in for 4 minutes. And then I'm going to go in with the K18 molecular repair hair oil, and I also did use some of my heat tamer spray by Tresemme, which I did not show, but I did also use heat protectant. And then also on their website, they did say as long as you leave the repair hair mask in for 4 minutes, you can also go in with other leave-ins as well. So that is definitely something that I'm going to try next time, because I felt like my hair was definitely lacking the moisture. I even noticed that with my blow dry. I mean, my blow dry did not turn out how it normally turns out. It definitely felt like my hair needed the moisture. So the next time I try this, I'm going to go in with additional leave-in products to make sure my hair is thoroughly moisturized, because my type of hair needs that extra moisture. So right here, I am just blow drying my hair. Just going in with the tension method to try to get my hair dry first, and then I am going in with my paddle brush just to try to get my hair smooth. And I definitely noticed that it was not getting as smooth as it typically does, and like I said before, it's definitely from the lack of moisture in my hair. I'm so used to doing deep conditioning treatments, and with this product you cannot add, deep conditioner. You have to leave the repair mask in your hair. You can't rinse it out, and you also cannot use any rinse out conditioners, which, yeah. Which I don't like that. Like, I like to be able to thoroughly deep condition my hair, which you cannot do with using this product. So yeah, that's a con for me, definitely. But I am going to give K18 a shot. I am going to use it 3 more times and see if it makes any difference in my hair. And I am going to do my silk press in my next video, because I do have a affordable flat iron that I will be reviewing. So I did not want to make this video too long. I wanted to make sure that I do a thorough review on that flat iron in my next video. So make sure you have your notifications on. Be sure to subscribe to the video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.